The Mahindra XUV700's infotainment system, also known as Mahindra Blue Sense, offers several power down options. To turn off just the screen, press the power button, which is a circular icon on the touchscreen's top right corner. You can also use the physical button on the center console. This dims the display while keeping audio and background processes active for quick reactivation. To mute the audio, use the volume knob on the steering wheel, or use the touchscreen controls. For a complete audio shutdown, ensure the system is fully powered off as detailed in the next section. To completely turn off the infotainment system, if the engine is running, shift the vehicle into park and press the Start/Stop button to turn off the ignition. This automatically shuts down the infotainment. For manual override, hold the power button on the touchscreen for 3 to 5 seconds until a confirmation prompt appears. Then select Power Off. If parked and off, the system enters sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity, but a long press forces complete shutdown. The system prioritizes safety and cannot be fully turned off while the vehicle is in motion. Regular OTA updates improve energy efficiency and reduce idle power consumption. Ensure your vehicle is updated via the Mahindra app or dealership to avoid phantom battery drain.